morning, my dear children. So in the mathematics subjects, we have completed 2 chapters. So we are in the 3rd chapter, that is multiplication and division. So almost we have completed multiplication. I think so you all thorough in multiplication, right? So very important thing in multiplication and division is knowing the tables. Okay. So today we are going to start division. Okay. So in the division there are 4 main words which we are going to use in division. So the first word is divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. The second word is dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend. The third one is quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. And the fourth word is remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Remainder. Okay. Divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Now I am going to tell you what is divisor. First one, divisor. Divisor means a number by which another number is to be divided. So this divisor need another number to be divided. Okay. So next one is dividend. Dividend is a number to be divided by another number. Almost divisor and dividend are same. So the both divisor and dividend need another number to be divided. Next, quotient. Quotient means a result obtained by dividing one quantity by another. Quotient means a result. You will get a result by dividing one quantity by another. So when you divide divisor and dividend, you will get a quotient as a result. Okay. And the fourth one is remainder. Remainder means is the amount left over after performing a sum or computing a sum. Okay, that is said to be remainder. Simply you have to remind that leftover part. Okay, shall we start a sum? Okay, first everyone, those who are having book, you can take page number 32, 32, page number 32. So I am just going to do exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. Find the quotients and remainders. Find the quotients and remainders. So in page number 32 you are having exercise 3.4. In that first exercise they have given find the quotients and remainders. So the first question is 4, 1, 2, 6, 2 divided by 18. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So 41,262. 41,262. So now we are gonna divide this. Okay. Yes. First step I'm gonna just tell you. Draw 2 lines like this. Okay. So you're gonna write the dividend. This is dividend, that is 41,262. So this is the dividend and 18 is the divisor. You will be writing outside. Okay, dividend will come inside of this line and divisor will come outside of this line. Okay, so now we are going to multiply it. So for this division sum we need 18 tables. So for your better understanding I am just writing the 18 tables here. 18 ones are 18. Okay, 18 twos are 36. Okay, 18 threes are 54. 18 threes are 54. Then 18 fours are 72. Then 18 fives are 90. Then 18 6 are 108. 18 sevens are 126. Then 18 eights are 18 into 8s are, you will get 144. 18 into 9s are 162. 18 into 10s are 180. Okay. Now, so first what we have to do is, we have to take first one digit in the dividend part. Okay, take one digit. So you will get 4. Just compare this 18 and 4. So when you compare this 18 and 4, 4 is very smaller than 18. So in 18 tables you will not get 4, right? So you can take 2 digits. So we have to check 41. So 41 is greater than 18. Now we have to check whether this 41 will divisible in 18 tables or not. So you can check in 18 tables. So 18 threes are 54. It is going across 41. So nearest 41 is this 36. That is 18 into 2s are 36. Now subtract this. So from 1 you cannot subtract 6. You have to borrow. So this will become 3 and this will become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. Now compare this 5 with 18. Again this 5 is very smaller number when you compare with 18. So what you should do? You should bring down the next number. So you will get 52. So now we have to check whether this 52 will divisible by this number 18 or not. So just check it here. You are getting 54. So we will just stop again till 36. So 18 twos are 36. Okay. Now subtract again. So again we cannot subtract 6 from 2. If we borrow, this will become 4. This will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. So compare 18 and 16. Again 16 is a very smaller number. So what we should do? We have to bring down this 6. Now 166. Now we have to check whether this 166 will get divisible in 18 tables. See, only 162. After the 18 nines are, you are getting 180. So we will stop here. 18 nines are 162. Okay. Now subtract it. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So again 4 is smaller number. Just bring down this 2. 42. So nearest to 42 is 36. That is 18 twos are. So again 18 twos are 36. Just subtract it. From 2 you cannot. So this will become 3. This will become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. That's all. So you got the answer that quotient. You have to write it separately. Quotient. Okay, quotient is equals to 2292. This part is said to be quotient part. Okay, and then remainder. Remainder is equals to, you got as 6. Okay children, did you all understood this sum? Shall we do another sum? Yes. Next sum. Second sum. 90623 divided by 35. Okay, I think you can all able to see it. Yes. So what we should do? We have to write the 35 table. Okay, here we can write. So this is dividend and this is divisor. Okay, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. So 90,623 we are going to divide it by 35. Shall we write 35 tables here? 35 ones are 35. Okay, 35 twos are 70. 35 threes are 105. Okay, 35 fours are 140. Next, 35 into 5s are 175. Next, 35 into 6 are 210. Next, 35 into 7s are 245. 35 into 8s are 280. 35 into 9s are 315. Next, 35 into 10s are 350. 350. Okay, so now shall we do the sum? First step, draw this line. Divisor should come outside, dividend should come inside. Okay, that is 90,623. So after writing like this, what we must do? First we have to take one digit. If we take one digit here it is 9. Okay, compare this 35 and 9. When you compare, 9 is very small, because in 35 tables you will not get 9. Here you can see 35 ones are itself 35, very big number, but here only 9. So we can take two numbers, 90. Now 90 is greater than 35. Now we have to check whether this 90 will come in 35 tables. Shall we check here? No, we are not getting 90. See, 35 threes are 105. It is crossing 90. So we will stop till 35 twos are 70. Okay, 35 twos are 70. Subtract. Okay, 0 minus 0, 9 minus 7 is 2. 20. Now compare this 20 to this 35. Okay, again 20 is very small number. Now we will bring down this 6. Now 206. Now we have to check whether this number 206 will come in this table. So we will check it here, but we could not find 206. 35 6 are 210. Okay, greater than 206. So we will stop till 35 5s are 175. 35 into 5s are 175. Now we will subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. From 0 we cannot, so borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 31. Again 31 is very small number. Bring down this 2. bring down this 2. So 312. Shall we check here? No. 35 into 9 we are getting 315. 315. So nearest to 312 is 280. That is 35 into 8 are. 35 8 are 280. Okay. Now subtract. So 2 minus 0 is 2. From 1 you cannot minus 8. So borrow. This will become 2. This will become 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now compare again 32 and 35. 32 is very small number, right? So again bring down this 3. So nearest to 323. Last number is 350. So nearest is 315. That is 35 9s are 315. 315. 35 into 9s are 315. Now we can subtract it. From 3 we cannot minus 5. So borrow, this will become 1. This will become 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. So 1 minus 1 0. 3 minus 3 0. So I think you all understood. Okay, first to draw this line, put the dividend inside, divisor outside. First take one digit. It should be greater than the divisor. It should not be less than the divisor. If it is less, what we have to do? We have to take 2 digits and we should multiply and we should see whether this number will get divisible by divisor or not. Fully we should check till at the last digit whether we get the remainder. Okay, and at last you should write the answer like this. Quotient is equals to this part, this thing, 2589. Remainder. So remainder is equals to 8. Like this you should write. Okay, my dear children, I think so you all understood this division. So what you must do, you should practice the sums which is there in your book in page number 32 and page number 33 also you are having division. So some of the students may feel division are very difficult, but of course it is not difficult. It is very easy. So I have taught you in a very easy method only, so you can practice at home. Now it's a time to give home assignment. Okay. So here I have given the homework. Find the quotients and remainders. Okay, 51,240 divided by 43. 57,827 divided by 52. 89,340 divided by 62.